Okay, before we're going to sing happy birthday to the birthday celebrant, everyone was that this afternoon at 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock tonight, we will be having a live band, the best band in
Ano bang available na fruit shake?
One po ma'am. Watermelon, banana. Pero mayroon pang mango. Orange, apple po.
Ano?
Tapos melon po.
Apple.
Genevieve, pasis maganda ma'am. Pasis da ma'am. Okay lang. Yung bagay din.
Okay, we would like to bring a happy birthday to Mrs. Alma.
Magkano po?
Genevieve, sa mga natin fruit
Apple.
shake. Fruit shake, apple. Ma'am, may table po kayo ma'am?
Wala.
Wala po. Walang po ako ng waiter niya.
Happy birthday to Ma'am Alma Mendoza Valdez. More blessings po, more happiness, and more health, good health from Travel Dual.